just wanted to make a little video while we're out and about. This is Clearwater Stream. Behind me, we'll go down and look at the Clearwater Falls. Oh, there's Pook. So this is the top of the falls there. I think Pook's trying to find some fish to eat. Yes, it's very cold. Pook's actually hiking down, but this is it's a real short trail. The waterfall is real short distance from the park. So there's Pook coming down the trail. They have a nice little viewing platform with a little kiosk, talks about mosses of Clearwater Falls. And then you also have another kiosk about the lava aquifer. The water here is so clean, so clear. There's actually a trail on the other side. We're in the Clearwater Falls parking lot side, where there's a trail to the waterfall. Oh, there's the little bridge that crosses the stream. So there's the parking lot. Come down here, the trail. Here's the bridge. And then you can take off on the trail. Okay, just a quick video of Clearwater Falls. That's it. Hasta luego. See you next time.